Question 1. Which spiky desert lizard drinks by soaking water up through its skin? A. The thorny devil. B. The gecko. C. The iguana. D. The chameleon. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the thorny devil. Grooves in its skin wick water straight to its mouth, so it drinks just by touching damp sand. Question 2. Which process breaks down glucose with oxygen to release energy in your cells? A. Photosynthesis. B. Cellular respiration. C. Digestion. D. Fermentation. Your 10 seconds start now. It's cellular respiration. Inside your cells, glucose and oxygen react to release the energy that powers you. Question 3. Which 14th century conqueror made Samarkand the dazzling capital of his empire? A. Genghis Khan. B. Kublai Khan. C. Amir Timur. D. Attila. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Amir Timur. Also known as Tamerlane, he turned Samarkand into one of the most magnificent cities of his age. Question 4. Which pair of arteries in your neck carries blood up to the brain? A. The jugular. B. The aorta. C. The femoral. D. The carotid. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the carotid. These neck arteries carry blood up to the brain, which is why you can feel a pulse there. Question 5. Which hearty Central Asian soup of meat and vegetables is a staple across Uzbekistan? A. Sherpa. B. Borscht. C. Miso. D. Gazpacho. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Sherpa. This rich, slow-simmered soup of meat and vegetables is a beloved staple across Central Asia. Question 6. Which spiral galaxy, our nearest large neighbor, is drifting toward a collision with the Milky Way? A. The Milky Way. B. The Whirlpool. C. The Andromeda Galaxy. D. The Sombrero. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the Andromeda Galaxy. In a few billion years, it and our Milky Way are set to slowly crash together. Question 7. In which Finnish game do you throw a wooden pin to knock down numbered skittles? A. Molki. B. Curling. C. Boules. D. Shuffleboard. Your 10 seconds start now. It's murki. You lob a wooden pin at numbered skittles, aiming to score exactly 50 points to win. Question 8. Which Flemish master painted the incredibly detailed Arnolfini Portrait? A. Rembrandt. B. Jan van Eyck. C. Vermeer. D. Rubens. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Jan van Eyck. His Arnolfini portrait is famous for its dazzling detail, right down to a tiny mirror on the wall. Question 9. What is the pile of rock and rubble bulldozed and left behind by a glacier? A. A delta. B. A dune. C. A fjord. D. A moraine. Your 10 seconds start now. It's a moraine. As a glacier grinds along, it shoves rock and rubble into ridges that remain after the ice melts. Question 10. What word describes a country with no coastline, like Uzbekistan? A. Coastal. B. Peninsular. C. Insular. D. Landlocked. Your 10 seconds start now. It's landlocked. With no seacoast at all, Uzbekistan is one of only 2 doubly landlocked countries on Earth. Question 11. Which flightless blue-green New Zealand bird was thought extinct for 50 years before being rediscovered? A. The dodo. B. The kiwi. C. The takahe. D. The kakapo. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the takahe. Believed extinct for half a century, this stocky blue-green bird was found alive in 1948. Question 12. Which Indian poet won the Nobel Prize in 1913 and wrote the national anthems of 2 countries? A. Rudyard Kipling. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. R.K. Narayan. D. Khalil Gibran. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Rabindranath Tagore, the first non-European to win the Nobel in Literature. He penned the anthems of India and Bangladesh. Question 13. Which German composer wrote the thunderous O Fortuna from Carmina Burana? A. Karl Orff. B. Richard Wagner. C. Gustav Mahler. D. Richard Strauss. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Karl Orff. His pounding chorus O Fortuna from Carmina Burana turns up in countless films and adverts. Question 14. What do we call a large molecule built from many repeating units, like plastic or DNA? A. An atom. B. A monomer. C. A polymer. D. An isotope. Your 10 seconds start now. It's a polymer. From plastics to DNA, these giant molecules are long chains of small, repeating units. Question 15. Which giant space telescope, launched in 2021, studies the universe in infrared with a golden mirror? A. The Hubble telescope. B. The James Webb telescope. C. The Kepler telescope. D. The Spitzer telescope. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the James Webb telescope. Its huge golden mirror gathers infrared light to peer at the very first galaxies. Question 16. What is the capital of Kyrgyzstan, sitting at the foot of the Tian Shan Mountains? A. Astana. B. Tashkent. C. Bishkek. D. Dushanbe. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Bishkek. The capital of Kyrgyzstan rests on a high plain right at the foot of the Tian Shan Mountains. Question 17. Which cat-like mammal produces the world's most expensive coffee after eating the beans? A. The civet. B. The mongoose. C. The meerkat. D. The genet. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the civet. Beans eaten and passed by this animal become Kopi Luwak, among the priciest coffees in the world. Question 18. What was the decades-long standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union called? A. World War I. B. The Cold War. C. The Korean War. D. The Great War. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the Cold War. For decades, the superpowers battled through spying and an arms race, but never in direct war. Question 19. Which light-sensing cells in your retina let you see color? A. The rods. B. The iris. C. The lens. D. The cones. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the cones. Packed in your retina, they detect color, while their cousins, the rods, handle dim light. Question 20. Which swarming insect, a kind of grasshopper, can devour whole fields in a plague? A. The cricket. B. The cicada. C. The mantis. D. The locust. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the locust. In the right conditions, harmless grasshoppers transform into vast swarms that strip fields bare. Question 21. What is a narrow channel of water connecting two larger seas, like Gibraltar, called? A. A gulf. B. A bay. C. A strait. D. A fjord. Your 10 seconds start now. It's a strait. This narrow neck of water links two bigger seas, like the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. Question 22. Which Victorian engineer built the Great Western Railway and giant iron steamships? A. Thomas Edison. B. James Watt. C. George Stephenson. D. Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Isambard Kingdom Brunel. This bold Victorian engineer built railways, tunnels, bridges, and record-breaking steamships. Question 23. How many kidneys does a healthy person normally have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Your 10 seconds start now. It's 2. You're born with 2 kidneys, though the body can manage perfectly well with just 1. Question 24. Which older racket game played in an odd walled court is the ancestor of modern tennis? A. Squash. B. Real tennis. C. Badminton. D. Racquetball. Your 10 seconds start now. It's real tennis. Played in a walled indoor court since medieval times, it's the game lawn tennis grew out of. Question 25. Which jet black African antelope sports long, backward sweeping curved horns? A. The sable antelope. B. The gazelle. C. The impala. D. The gnu. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the sable antelope. The old bulls turn a glossy jet black and carry magnificent sweeping curved horns. Question 26. What is a relationship where two species both benefit, like bees and flowers, called? A. Parasitism. B. Predation. C. Mutualism. D. Competition. Your 10 seconds start now. It's mutualism. Both partners win, like bees getting nectar while carrying pollen from flower to flower. Question 27. What is the world's third highest mountain on the India-Nepal border? A. K2, B. Lhotse, C. Makalu, D. Kangchenjunga. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Kangchenjunga. Standing on the India-Nepal border, it's the third tallest peak on Earth, just behind K2. Question 28. Which chewy Japanese treat is made from pounded sticky rice? A. Mochi. B. Dango. C. Sushi. D. Tempura. Your 10 seconds start now. It's mochi. Sticky rice is pounded into a soft, stretchy dough, then shaped into these chewy little treats. Question 29. Which chemist invented Kevlar, the tough fiber used in bulletproof vests? A. Marie Curie. B. Stephanie Kwolek. C. Rosalind Franklin. D. Ada Lovelace. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Stephanie Kwolek. Her super strong fiber, Kevlar, is 5 times stronger than steel and can stop bullets. Question 30. What do you call a group of cats? A. A pack. B. A colony. C. A litter. D. A clouder. Your 10 seconds start now. It's a clouder. A bunch of cats together is called a clouder. A perfect way to wrap up today's quiz. That's all 30. How many did you get right? If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe for a brand new BrainRush quiz every single week. See you next time.